How long does a train 110 meters long, running at 36 kilometers per hour, take to cross a bridge 132 meters in length and to cross a telegraphic post? Now we have to answer two questions here. First, the time required for a train to cross a bridge and then a telegraphic post. Now the difference between these two concepts is that bridge has a considerable length and telegraphic post has a negligible length. So the formula changes a bit. Now, eventually we want to find out the time. So general formula will be distance upon speed itself. So in the first case, when we are crossing the bridge, the formula will be time is equal to length of the object plus length of the train upon speed of the train. So let's find out time. Now, length of the object, that is bridge, is 132 meters plus length of the train, that is 110 upon speed. Now, as the distance is in meters, we'll convert 36 kilometers per hour to meters per second by multiplying by 5 by 80. So we get this answer as 132 plus 110. So that becomes 242 divided by 10. So we get the answer as 24.2 seconds. Now, in the second scenario, when the train is crossing a telegraphic post, as the telegraphic post has a negligible width, time is equal to length of train upon speed of train. So time is equal to length of train is 110 meters divided by 36 into 5 by 80. So it comes out to be 110 divided by 10. So answer is 11 seconds.